Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. And this video I will show you how to make a AI look on your images using Google Pixel smartphone. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to make a AI look on it. Here you can see the edit option on the bottom side of this image. Tap on the edit option. Here you can see the options Unblur Dynamic Portrait. Scroll toward right, reach the Airy option. Here you can see the Airy option. Tap on the Airy. Now the image is turned into a airy look. By doing this, you can make your any images into a airy look. Tap on the Save Copy option on the bottom right corner to save this image into your device. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.